Glamping adventure ba ang hanap nyo? Try nyo dito, San Rafael River Adventure. Just 3 hours drive away from Metro Manila. They offer different accommodations, from their famous glass cabins to their glamping with a twist and day tour accommodations. Let's check out the place.
This is what they call glamping with a twist. So campsite just in front of the river itself. Napakalamig ng hangin dito. And nakita nyo naman, kumpleto na yan. Wala na kayong kailangang i-set up. It offers a bed, pillows, toiletries, towels, and that's only 3,200 per night. Napakaraming pwedeng gawin dito. They offer different water adventures, a river cruise that will give you that Lubok River feels in Bohol, yung giant swing, and one of my favorites, and of course, ang dinadayo na El Rio Cafe. Ayan o. Napakasarap ng pagkain dyan and napakaganda ng view. They also offer other accommodations like their glass cabin and tree house. A gem in Bulacan that is really worth visiting. Just 3 hours drive away from Metro Manila and you'll get to enjoy this nature's paradise. If you want to know more about this place, just check out the full video in our YouTube channel, BPO Budget Travels /Lakwatsyang BPO, BPO Budget Travels and Gala. Thank you mga Kalakwatsa!